Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this device must be linked to your Apple ID to play content saved offline. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Let me tell you that if you have saved songs from Apple Music and try to play offline, then it's showing the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix it. So you can easily see here this device is already linked and cannot be transferred for 90 days. Okay guys, so first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page. So from here you have to open the settings. Now tap on your Apple ID, tap on iCloud. Okay guys, so from here you have to tap on show all, because maybe you have turned on this toggle and you are using your Apple ID. Okay guys, and you have saved your song in your Apple ID and you have changed your device and you have backup your iCloud on that device, and you can easily see the songs on that device that you have saved and you want to play that song. So maybe that's why these songs are not working, because you can play these songs after 90 days. Okay guys, so if you want to play that song on the other device, it's not possible for you. Okay guys, just simply you can play the songs on your device that you have used to download or save offline, or you can use that Apple ID to play the songs. So what you need to do guys, just simply you have to go back. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on general. First of all, you have to turn off your device. Now tap on your Apple ID, scroll it down and just simply sign out your Apple ID and sign in the other Apple ID which you have used to save the songs. Okay guys, and you can easily play these songs. So that's pretty much for today's video. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.